In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find your iCloud password on your Mac. The first method of doing this is by using the passwords application. So to do this, we're going to press Command and Spacebar, and you want to search for passwords and open the passwords application. Now you need to use Touch ID or your login password to see them. From here, you want to click on the search bar at the top, and you want to search for iCloud. If you don't see your Apple account appear, then you simply want to search for Apple instead. Now it should be the top result, which will look like this, and then you should be able to see your login information for your Apple account. Now you want to hover over the password section to see your password, and you can click on it to copy it, or you can go ahead and sign into your Apple account just as you normally would. The next method of doing this is by using Safari. So we first want to open the Safari application. Now you want to click on Safari in the top system menu bar, and in the drop down menu you want to select Settings. Once you're inside the Safari settings, you want to select Autofill at the top, and then you want to find usernames and passwords and select Edit right next to it, and here you'll see a list of all of your available passwords. However, mine shows the passwords app because I'm running a newer version of macOS. If you use the Google Chrome web browser, then your passwords may be saved with Google. So to see these, we first want to open Google Chrome. Now you want to select the three dots in the top right hand corner, and in the drop down menu you want to hover over Passwords and Autofill, and then you want to select Google Password Manager. From here you should see a list of all of your saved passwords, where you want to go ahead and find your iCloud password from here. However, I don't save mine with Google, which is why you're not seeing any passwords here. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like.